We all seem to have our must-have gadgets that we never leave the house without. And conveniently, electronics are constantly evolving and getting smaller. Here at New Tech, we feature the latest gadgets, future technology, and top 10 trending items. Technology is a vital force in our existence, and that's why we are here. Inventing a handheld device necessitates a certain level of creativity. It must be lightweight enough for people to carry and affordable enough to continue to do so. It's a delicate balance that we value because, let's face it, life outside the home can be challenging. Small accessories will help you feel more relaxed and efficient when on the go. You almost always have a mobile with you once you leave home, but that doesn't rule out the possibility of adding a few more features. From a folding keyboard to a low-cost power bank, we've rounded up some of our favorite portable tech right now. Not only can these bargains fit into your wallet, but they're still usually inexpensive enough to fit into your budget. Number 1, Tillmate Item Finder 4-pack combo. One significant disadvantage to today's clever little inventions is that they are easy to misplace. Tillmate object finders are ideal if you need any assistance keeping track of the little things. Tillmate is a keychain-sized device that is just 1.3 inches long and 0.2 inches wide. Connect a tracker to any object, and the Tile Companion app will allow you to locate it practically anywhere. And if you don't have the software, you can identify nearby objects by letting the tile vibrate, light, or ring from afar. A single tile costs about $22, but this 4-pack of Tillmate trackers costs about $60 and comes with free delivery from Amazon. Number 2, Anker Powerdrive Speed 2-car USB charger. Another unique Anker gadget that you won't want to leave home without is a fast car charger. It's not something you'll want to have in your pocket all day, but you won't want to leave home without it. The Powerdrive Speed 2 USB adapter plugs into your car's 12-volt socket and has 2 high-speed USB ports with a maximum output of 30 watts for charging your devices. This handy charger uses Anker's IQ2 technology to track and maximize the power output for compatible devices, allowing it to charge multiple phones up to 80% in around 35 minutes. Number 3, Keurig K Mini Plus Portable Coffee Maker. You will drink delicious coffee everywhere with the Keurig K Mini Plus Portable Coffee Maker. This compact device is less than 5 inches tall, making it suitable for travel. Place your mug under the drip, add a K-Cup pod, and drink your way to happiness. The tank is easily removable and cleanable too. Number 4, Anker Power Core Charger. This one is a super lightweight power bank that you can take with you everywhere you go. It's one of the most effective power banks available. You won't have to pull your portable battery out of your pocket to keep it charged during the day. It may charge your phone more than twice, which also means that your devices are completely safe from sudden death. Number 5, Jellycomb Folding Bluetooth Keyboard. Most folding keyboards aren't as modern as you'd hope. Even the smaller ones aren't exactly portable. The Jellycomb Folding Wireless Keyboard is the ideal choice, providing you with a small collection of QWERTY keys that folds down to the size of a giant smartphone for easy storage. Its metal and polymer structure is both sturdy and lightweight, weighing only 7 ounces. The Jellycomb Folding Wireless Keyboard costs about $30 on Amazon and is compatible with any Bluetooth-enabled iPhone, Windows Phone, or Android tablet. Number 6, Bella Beat Leaf Smart Health Tracker. This necklace keeps track of how much you do, how stressed you might be. It also keeps track how many calories you've consumed. The Bella Beat Leaf Smart Health Tracker can be worn as a clip or a cuff like jewelry and is a perfect choice for women who want to monitor their health without wearing a smartwatch. It gives you a fashionable look while still keeping an eye on your fitness. Number 7, Pocket Talk Language Translator. Don't let the language barrier get in the way of your conversations. With the Pocket Talk Language Translator, you'll be able to communicate in other languages and hear from everyone of different cultures. With this handheld interpreter, you can communicate in a matter of seconds, covering up to 74 languages. The device picks up voices, senses language, and translates at the same time thanks to its microphone. All you will have to do is keep the button down when listening, and the device takes care of the rest. Number 8, Anker Portable SD Card Reader. SD and micro SD cards are great, but they aren't compatible with all machines, and even those that only have one slot of one and not the other. If you already have a micro SD card, you'll need an adapter to use it with the SD card reader. The Anker USB 3.0 SD card reader will help you save time and money. It has SD and micro SD card slots, allowing you to read and write to each at the same time on any device. It's all compliant with all kinds of micro SD cards and costs just $11 on Amazon. This is an excellent piece of equipment for photographers and professionals on the go. Number 9. Geeky Multi-Tool Key-Shaped Pocket Tool. This multi-tool blends many essential tools into a tiny portable unit that you can carry with you everywhere you go. It includes a metric and normal size closed wrench and a bit driver, a TSA-compliant serrated edge, and a convenient scoring tip, a bike spoke wrench, bottle opener, and more. The tool is lightweight, made of stainless steel, and can be clipped directly to your keychain. Number 10. 8BitDo Mini Zero Bluetooth Gamepad. If you grew up with a Nintendo Game Boy, you certainly never imagined that one day we'd all be walking around computer phones and iPads that could play 3D games. With this retro portable gamepad from 8BitDo, you can now take your gaming to the next level. This SNES-style keychain controller has 12 buttons and a Famicom-style color scheme. Simply connect your phone or tablet to the 8BitDo gamepad and start playing. The 8BitDo Mini Zero costs $17 on Amazon, making it a hard bargain and the ideal little gift for gamers. For tech gadgets and more on technology, subscribe to the channel. As always, leave a like and comment, and we'll see you next time.